Becoming a millionaire by the end of 2025 may seem like an impossible dream, but it's more achievable than you think. With the right strategies, discipline, and mindset, you can turn this goal into reality. This video is designed to guide you step by step through the process, breaking it down into actionable advice that anyone can follow. Whether you're starting from scratch or already on your journey, this is your roadmap to financial success. Let's dive in. Step 1. Build the foundation. To achieve the ambitious goal of becoming a millionaire by the end of 2025, the first step is to build a solid foundation. This involves cultivating the right mindset, setting clear financial goals, and mastering your financial basics. Number 1. Cultivate a millionaire's mindset. Your mindset sets the stage for everything else. Begin by identifying and eliminating limiting beliefs about money. Replace thoughts like, "I'll never be rich," with empowering affirmations such as, "I am capable of achieving financial freedom." Commit to personal growth by consuming books, podcasts, and courses that inspire you to think bigger and act smarter. Number 2. Set clear financial goals. A vague goal won't get you anywhere. Write down exactly how much money you want to make and by when. Break this target into smaller milestones. To reach $1 million in 2 years, aim to make approximately $500,000 annually, or about $41,667 monthly. Specify the income sources and strategies you'll use to reach these milestones. Number 3. Master budgeting and financial basics. Effective money management is essential. Track every dollar you spend, identify areas where you can cut back, and redirect those funds into savings and investments. Use budgeting frameworks like the 50/30/20 rule, but modify them to save and invest more aggressively. Build an emergency fund to protect yourself from unexpected expenses and keep your financial plan on track. Step 2. Build wealth through income and investments. Once the foundation is set, focus on building wealth by creating multiple income streams and investing wisely. Diversification and strategic planning are key during this stage. Number 1. Develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is a recipe for financial stagnation. Explore side hustles, freelancing opportunities, or starting a small business. Consider digital ventures like creating an online course, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. Passive income streams such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from intellectual property are excellent ways to boost your earnings without requiring constant effort. Number 2. Invest strategically. Investments are the bridge between earning and growing wealth. Learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, and real estate. Use compound interest to your advantage by starting early and consistently contributing to your investment accounts. Focus on assets with a proven track record of growth and consult financial advisors if necessary. Step 3. Sustain and accelerate your progress. The final step is to sustain your momentum and accelerate your progress toward millionaire status. This requires consistency, resilience, and a willingness to adapt to challenges. Number 1. Maintain financial discipline. As your income grows, so might the temptation to spend lavishly. Stay disciplined with your budgeting and continue prioritizing savings and investments. Avoid lifestyle inflation, and remember that financial freedom is the ultimate goal. Number 2. Learn and adapt. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and staying informed is crucial. Keep learning about new investment opportunities, emerging markets, and innovative technologies. Be prepared to pivot your strategies as needed to take advantage of new opportunities. Number 3. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Networking with like-minded individuals can open doors to new income opportunities, mentorship, and partnerships. Attend events, join online communities, and actively seek out relationships that align with your financial goals. Number 4. Celebrate milestones. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and focused. Each milestone brings you closer to your ultimate goal of becoming a millionaire. By following these 3 steps and committing to consistent action, you can achieve financial freedom and reach millionaire status by the end of 2025. Success is within your grasp. It's up to you to make it happen.